Okay, I think I already found my favorite wig of 2026, y'all, and we're only getting started. This is the Water Wave Glueless wig from UNice, and it has been giving effortless every single time I wear it. The curls are full, soft, and the definition is literally insane. And the best part is I can literally throw it on and go with no stress. Like, look at the movement, look at the volume, look at the finish. This is the kind of hair that makes you want to keep taking selfies all day. Now, I know you didn't think I was going to show you that demonstration without showing you how I install it. When I said installation was easy, I am not lying. The first thing I'm doing is just taking a little bit of cream makeup and putting on that lace, baby. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre everything wig. So I really don't have to do anything except for adjust this little drawstring here and slide on the wig. And already, without even doing anything, it's looking really good. Fresh out of the box with no gel, no water, no mousse, no nothing, and it's already looking full. Only thing I'm gonna do is pull this drawstring in the back to make it secure, and you can wear it up, you can wear it down. This wig has versatility. Now, I am gonna do a little bit of customization for me personally. As you can see on the sides, I have a funny hairline, a Legos hairline, whatever you want to call it. My hairline does not go straight across, so I have to use, or I don't have to, but I prefer to use baby hairs just to cover that up. And plus, I love how water wave hair looks with baby hairs. I feel like it just makes it look more tropical. I don't know, it's just a personal preference. But if you don't want baby hairs, of course you don't have to do it. I love the fact that they don't automatically come with baby hairs, just in case you don't like them, so you have that option to create them yourself. Now, as much as I love the curls, how they look fresh out of the box when they're big and fluffy, I'm going to show you how to get that defined look, because to me, the defined look is superior. So earlier I sprayed on just a little bit of water just to saturate the hair. And then I've used my Afoji styling foam. I go between that and Nairobi foam, but just to drench the hair. And I also used my brush to brush through it, my Demon type brush, and brushing through, making sure I'm spreading that product all the way through the hair, and I'm scrunching. That is key to make sure you get that definition. Now, the next stop here is, of course, diffusing the curls. This is just gonna dry the hair so that the curls pop even more. Once you've defined the curls, you're honestly good to go. I like to do a little bit of finishing touches just for my personal preference. I like to have that like crisp look in the front sometimes. Sometimes I like a messy look, but if I want a cleaner look, I'm just using my curling wand here and just straightening out the front, adding like my little bumps underneath the wig, kind of. You know what I'm talking about. You can see what I'm doing here. Like I said, this is completely optional. It's just a personal preference for me. I feel like this helps shape and frame my face without having to cut the hair. So that's really why I do this. And look at the hairline on this wig. When I say it was pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and glueless, that is not a lie. Like, look how that melts into my forehead. Like, you wouldn't even know it wasn't glued down if I didn't lift it up. Now I'm just taking a little bit of makeup to define that part. Again, completely optional, but again, I love my hair to pop. And then you got something that looks like this. I know the hair is still a little bit damp, but I absolutely love how this look. My curls look so pristine and juicy. I love good juicy curls. And again, glueless, because if you're gonna wear this in the summertime, you wanna make sure you're not sweating it out. And the best part is the wig doesn't shift. I know we hate glueless wigs that shift back and then your whole forehead and your whole hairline is exposed. This is not this wig. This wig is extremely secure, so you can shake your hair, you can move about, live your best life without worrying about your wig flying off. You saw how we used the adjustable band earlier, all of those steps to make the hair secure. And then I just want to show you what it looks like in natural lighting, because of course in front of my dresser lighting, the hairline is going to look one way, but it looks even better in natural lighting like this. It's unclockable, honestly. I threw on this wig when I went to the grocery store. First of all, the install took me 5 minutes and I got so many compliments. It was crazy, because when I say these waves are so pretty, they look even better in person, and everybody was just loving the look of these curls. Something about this wave is like, they're immaculate. Even outside of going to the grocery store, I really wear this wig when I go to work too, because the install in the morning takes only 5 minutes and I don't have time to be doing my hair for 30 minutes, especially before I gotta go to the office. So if you love a quick install that looks good, or if you have like glue allergies and you just want something that's glueless and still sturdy, definitely check this one out. I'll link it down below for you. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.